I'm Norman from Get Set Up. Have you used Excel for a long time, but are you feeling that you may just be kind of skimming the tip of the iceberg? I think most of us who use products like Word and Excel get comfortable with a very small set of functionality. And we use it for a while, and then someone else tells us that there are other features available, such as filters and graphs and charts and pivot tables, as an example, of things that we're not quite familiar with, but we think it might be interesting to learn more about it. Well, this class is, if that's what you point that you're at, this class is for you. Excel Advanced Topics and Tips will help you advance yourself to the next level. If you want to use Excel a little bit more advanced than you have been, maybe you have some needs that you haven't been able to find a way to do with your current knowledge. Join others in the Get Set Up community as we explore new ways to use Excel. And some of these things may be things that have been added in later versions that you are not even aware of. So I'm hoping you can join us for this very practical and useful class. Thank you.